white canvas here is called the drawing space, which is where we will draw the schematic storm sewer network. In the layout toolbar, click on layout tool and select conduit. Notice that the cursor changes to a crosshair with two concentric circles representing a manhole. With the cursor positioned in the drawing space, if you click the left mouse button, a new manhole element is created. Notice that this manhole element is labeled MH1. Now, if we move the mouse elsewhere and click the left mouse button again, another manhole labeled MH2 is created. Also, manholes MH1 and MH2 are now connected by a conduit labeled as CO1. Now we will proceed to place and connect remaining manholes. First, let us create manhole 3. Right-click on the drawing space and select Done. Next, create manholes 4, 5, 6 and 7. Right-click and select Done. Move the cursor over manhole 3 and click the left mouse button to select it. And then move the cursor over manhole 7 and click the left mouse button to connect these manholes. Right-click the mouse button and select Outfall. Notice that your cursor has changed. Now click the left mouse button to place the outfall, labeled here as O1. Right-click and select Done. The final task is to place the catchments in the drawing space. From the layout toolbar, click on Catchment tool. Notice the change in the cursor. Now there are a couple of ways in which one can create a catchment element. Let us look at the first option. Click the left mouse button at few nearby locations in the drawing space to create a polygon that represents the catchment area. Right-click and select Done. Notice that the catchment has been labeled as CM1. The second option to create a catchment is as follows. Press and hold the Ctrl key on your keyboard and click the left mouse button in the drawing space and immediately release the Ctrl key. Now, if you move the cursor, a regular shaped polygon is visible. Click the left mouse button again to create the new catchment element labeled as CM2. Repeat the process to create all catchments for the study area. This completes the task of creating a schematic network. Next, we will see how to enter data for the elements of the schematic network.